Okay, my friend, what's your name?
My name is Atay.
Atay.
Yeah.
Moses. My name is Moses.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. You have a lot of experience in bartending, right?
Yeah, I've been working here for like 1.5 years.
1.5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So
Today
I know
you
a little bit.
There is a lot of drinks in the house. It's called Lorenz. Watching some football with some short drinks.
So he's only filming his face.
Yeah.
Usual 85.
I don't know why they're fucking not scoring, man. Should I go myself and like score? I feel like running, you know?
Yeah.
Hold me, before I fight. Hold me. So Atay is gonna prepare us what?
Passion drink.
Passion drinks?
Yeah.
With how many alcohol? Like
It
what?
depends. You can make it like for with 4.
Okay, with 4.
Yeah, and with 6 also.
Is it vodka or gin and tonic? Could you explain what's the content?
It depends because different people like different styles.
Okay.
So I usually make it with rum.
Okay. Rum. Okay.
Yeah, white rum.
White rum.
It's Bacardi Carta Blanca.
Okay.
And then I usually put Bull's Passion.
Okay.
So this one.
Okay. Nice. It sounds already nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I used to shake it with a little bit.
Yes, it's lemon. Okay.
Yeah,
Lemonade.
exactly.
Okay.
And with some sugar.
Sugar. Okay.
And I put some passion juice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Passion juice.
And I just mix it.
So 5 things together.
Yeah, 5 things.
Five things together. Okay.
And actually 6 things.
6
So
things.
A
Okay.
little bit of mango puree.
Mango puree.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
So a little bit of this, and I just shake it, and I make it in different styles.
Okay.
I can.
Let's see the show. Start the show.
Yeah. Of course. I will just bring it all here. So are you ready?
Yes. Just a minute. Okay. Now. I mean, I like lime in every drinks.
You like it?
Yeah, I mean it's kind of healthy, you might say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we take some passion juice.
Passion juice.
Just a little bit.
Just a little, not
Yeah,
too much.
Exactly. Not too much.
There will be a lot of passion in it.
Yeah, exactly. But I
Okay.
make it with passion, so
Ah,
a lot of passion.
a
So
lot of passion.
it's
not
already
good.
enough.
Okay. Now for Wednesday.
Yeah, so we just shake it.
Okay. Dude, that's fast.
Yeah. little bit juice on top. This. Then I use the cranberry juice
Okay.
to just make it nicer.
It's nice.
And at the end, just top it with 7-Up,
Okay.
and you get this layer. Do you see?
3 layers.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then I always taste it.
Okay. But you're not supposed to put it back, huh?
No, the other
I'm
one.
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
There you go.
Thank you. So, what's the name? What was? One more time?
I call it babasita.
Babasita.
Babasita, exactly.
Babasita. Okay. So let me give it a test.
Yeah.
First, you have to take off your glass. I might be crazy, no?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you
I
think?
mean, it's it doesn't even seem like it has alcohol in it. It looks like obviously underage can't drink this,
Yeah.
but it's nice. I think you can have it with a lot of groups.
Yeah.
It's more enjoying, tasteful, and
Actually, I
sweet too.
used to make it a lot in nightclub.
Nightclubs, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then a lot of people.
So this is your own
Yeah.
brand.
My own brand.
Your own brand. A Types brand.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.